I figured it'd be nice to see exactly what the measurement process is, so I'm going to go ahead and do a video showing everything that I do to get everything ready and the actual testing process itself. It is definitely interesting to be able to hear what's actually going on with the metal. You can definitely tell before and after the deadening has been added. So now I've made sure that the wood and the metal are marked. They are going on in the same order every time. They're being tightened in the same order every time. Everything's being tightened with a torque wrench, set to 5 foot-pounds. Anything more and it just keeps compressing the wood. So, but everything's marked and everything's torqued before any measurements are done. The bolts are all tightened in the same order. They're all loosened in the same order. Okay, so that's done. The microphone is attached using the neodymium magnets. The magnets have been epoxied to the wood, and I have marked the wood to line up with the bolts on the bottom so that the microphone ends up right in the center of the piece of metal. From there, I need to switch on the power supply and hook up both the microphone to the computer and the headphone out jack to the computer to the amplifier. because I'm using the computer as the source. It's generating the signal. I need to bring up Room EQ Wizard, because that's the program I'm using. And in Room EQ Wizard, I'm using the measure function. I'm using 8 samples, so it's averaging 8 samples together. Start frequency is 20 hertz, end frequency is 1000 hertz, level is negative 30 decibels. Anything higher, and I think it's really pushing the speakers past where they go. I could probably do negative 27 decibels, but anything above that and the microphone is showing clipping. So everything's set up. I'm going to go ahead and run a sweep. Alright, so I've gotten the frequency response from that. I'm also able to generate the waterfall from that. What I want to do now is go ahead and compare the bare metal test this time to the bare metal test before and make sure that they're similar. Looks like they are. This way it gives us at least a good idea of what's going on. So it looks like that's done. I need to remove everything and go ahead and put the deadening on and go from there. I'm going to pause the video. I need to go do a couple things and then I'll be back to finish the rest of this.